Hey guys, so now take a look. These are the buckets we use in our bucket elevators. So as we know that for the ring chain buckets, you can see there's the connection points are on the back of the buckets, but for the plate chains, the connections are actually on the two sides of the buckets, which we also have over there. So you can see those ones are the buckets for the plate chain because of the connections you can see are on the two sides. Because plate chain is usually connecting on the left and also on the right. That's why the connection points are on the side. But for the ring chain, you can see because it is like this. This is ring chain. So the connecting points are on the back of the bucket. Thank you. Hey guys, so now take a look. These are the buckets we use in our bucket elevators.